I will be showing you on how to test all the motors of your Jofemar coffee machine. First, you hit the programming switch in the back of the door one time. Your main menu will appear. Scroll down to machine menu, enter. Inside the main menu directory, you will scroll down to manual test coffee machine and then enter. Here it shows you the different dispensers. For example, you can test the motors for the sugar, the chocolate, the cream, vanilla, and hazelnut. If you keep scrolling down through the menu, you can also test your cup dispenser, your spoon dispenser if you have spoons. Mixer are the mixing that mixes your product, for example, chocolate, the hazelnut, and your vanilla. Keep scrolling, there's 3 of them. Up to your soluble valves you can test also. Your boiler, your distributor will distribute the water through the machine, and your pump. Here we'll be testing out the mixer. And that's how we test out the mixer on the machine. If the procedure is done, you will get this message on the display. Here we will be testing the chocolate canister. As you can see, the canister here moved to test the motor out to dispense chocolate.